Statistics. Solve problems involving tables. Let's recap. Tables can help us easily read and understand data. What does a table look like? The header row tells us the type of fruit. The how many row tells us how many of each fruit there are. There are 9 strawberries. There are 3 apples. There are 5 peaches. Let's look at problem solving. If half the domestic flights carry cargo, how many domestic flights carried cargo in 2012? The first step to solving problems is understanding what the question is asking us to do. Find out how many domestic flights there were in 2012 and divide them by 2. The domestic flights in 2012, here's domestic flights 2012, it's 2,814. Now we complete the calculation using short division because half of them carried cargo. 2 divided by 2 is 1, 8 divided by 2 is 4, 1 divided by 2 is 0 and carry 1 forward, 14 divided by 2 is 7. So 1,407 flights carried cargo. Between which years was the greatest increase in average monthly international flights? What's the question asking us to do? Work out how much international flights change between each year and state where the increase was the greatest. Look only at the international column. The difference between 2012 and 2010, 6,671 minus 6,106. In our columns, 11 take away 6 is 5, then 6 take away 0 is 6, 6 take away 1 is 5, and 6 take away 6 is 0. It's a total of 565 increase from 2010 to 2012. We now need to do the same for all the other years. We follow the same order so we know whether the flights are increasing and the number's positive or decreasing and the number's negative. It's increasing from 2012 to 2014 by 422. From 2014 to 2016 it's increasing by 311. From 2016 to 2018 it's increasing by 2,751. And from 2018 to 2020 it's decreasing by 4,803. The largest increase was between 2016 and 2018. John recorded all sales across 1 week from his mobile coffee van. It cost John 25 pence to make 1 donut. If he charged 50p per donut, how much profit was made on Thursday? What's the question asking us to do? Work out how much profit John makes on 1 donut and then multiply it by the number sold on Thursday. So the profit on 1 donut is the cost he charged less the cost to make it. He charges 50 pence and the cost to make it is 25 pence, so his profit is 25 pence. On Thursday he sold, let's look at the donuts column, Thursday 48 donuts. So we need to multiply 48 by 25 pence. We can do this in our column. 5 eighths are 40, we carry the 4, then 5 fours are 20 plus the 4 carried forward is 24. Then we add the 0 and multiply 2 eighths are 16, carry the 1, write the 6, then 2 fours are 8 plus the 1 carried forward is 9. Now we add in our columns 0, 4 plus 6 is 10, we write a 0 and carry 1 forward, 2 plus 9 is 11, plus the 1 carried forward is 12. It's a total of 1,200, don't forget the units, it's pence. We could convert this to pounds, it would be 12 pounds. Remember, Read the question carefully to see what it's asking us to do. And read the table correctly down the column and across the row to find the information. When you're doing the calculations, always follow the same order. And don't forget the units in your answer.